Hey you all, let's be honest. If you've ever wrestled with a vacuum cord like it's a stubborn python, you know why today's review matters. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you how the Bissell PowerClean FurFinder 200W Self-Standing Cordless Vacuum can totally change the way you think about cleaning. And quick reminder, you can find the full article linked in the description and pinned in the first comment. When people shop for a cordless vacuum, they want three things: powerful suction, portability, and real solutions for everyday mess. This vacuum doesn't just deliver. It adds bright LED headlights so cleaning feels weirdly fun. Who knew vacuuming could become addictive just because someone added lights? It's like Fast and Furious, but with crumbs and Cheerios. Let's start with design. The tangle-free brush roll is genius. I don't have pets, but I do have toddlers. And toddlers on carpet are like living with three golden retrievers. This brush roll slices through hair and fibers so nothing clogs the spinner. No more stopping mid-clean to pull out scissors. You all know the pain. Now, power and performance. With 200W suction, this cordless vacuum makes high-traffic cleaning effortless. I vacuum daily now, not because I love chores, but because the machine makes it so quick. My living space, kitchen, and bedroom all get covered on one charge, thanks to the removable battery that runs up to 40 minutes. And yes, you can swap in a spare for double time. Then there's versatility. The 3-in-1 design with handheld and upholstery tool is fantastic for couches, stairs, and hidden corners. I love the handheld for my sofa. It's like the vacuum saying, "Relax, I've got this crumb problem." Plus, the self-standing design means it parks itself. No wall crashes required. But let's keep it real. It's a bit top-heavy, so longer sessions can tire your arm. And if you have textured tile floors like I do, suction is better than cheap vacuums, but not perfect for deep grooves. That's when I still bring out my mealy once a month for a deep clean in the bedrooms. Still, for daily use, this Bissell is a massive quality-of-life upgrade. And here's where the experience factor kicks in. People don't just buy vacuums for specs, they buy for how it makes them feel. Gliding through the house with bright headlights spotlighting dust, knowing your family isn't tracking dirt around, it feels empowering. Suddenly, vacuuming isn't a dreaded chore. It's a quick win you look forward to. Durability? Solid. The Bissell PowerClean FurFinder doesn't wobble like flimsy stick vacuums. The attachments click firmly, the body feels sturdy, and the wall mount keeps it organized in small spaces. This thing is built to last. So here's my verdict. If you're tired of dragging a bulky upright, tripping over cords, or ignoring dust bunnies, this cordless vacuum is worth it. It's portable, powerful, cleverly designed, and even fun to use. Check the full article in the description and first comment. But honestly, the Bissell PowerClean FurFinder 200W Self-Standing Cordless Vacuum isn't just a tool. It's a lifestyle upgrade. And once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.